let's see how to create an event on Facebook, whether it's public, private, online, or in person. Alright, so for that, after logging into your Facebook account, on your homepage, scroll down on the left-hand side and just click on See More. And then scroll down and click on Events option. Now, first of all, you'll get to see some recommended nearby public events in here, but to create your own one, just click on Create New Event. Now, a separate window will open up in here like this. Now, first, if you want, you can add an event-specific or a relevant photo in here. And then you're going to put down the event name that'll be displayed. Next, you're going to select the date from this calendar, like when the event will start. And then you're going to select the time. You can also add an end time of the event if you want. And after that, just select if it's an online, like virtual, or in-person event. Now, if you have selected in-person, after that, you're going to choose the location of your event. It can be a private place or a public location. In that case, it'll show up in the map, and then just hit save. Now then, you're going to choose your audience at who can see the event. Now choose from private, public, and group. And we're going to choose public for this event. Next in here, if you want, you can add some details of the event depending what type of event you're hosting. Now, if you got some co-hosts to the event, you can choose this from the recommended people from this list, or you can just manually search for their Facebook profile. Next, you're going to select the frequency of that event if you want it to repeat daily, weekly, maybe a custom date after intervals, or never. After that, in additional settings, some posting options will appear. You can just go and customize them according to your preference. Lastly, just take a look at the info once more, review it, and if everything looks fine, just click on Create Event. So right after creating an event, you'll have some recommendations to invite people to your event. You can invite them right now or later, your call. After that, you'll be straight redirected to the event page. And that's it. You have successfully created an event on Facebook. If you visit your home screen, it'll show up on your feed right away. And after some time, you can also click on the tabs on the left-hand side to go to events, to your events, and the event will show up in here as well. That's it. Thanks for watching.